If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Revolut account in Australia. If you still don't have a Revolut application, you can download it to App Store or Google Play Store. Alright, for those who don't know, Revolut is this awesome app that lets you handle all your money stuff, sending payments, exchanging currency, investing your name, all in one place. It's great if you want everything at your fingertips and hate dealing with a ton of banking fees. Now, if you already have a Revolut account, you can just log in and skip the whole sign up thing. But if you're new and ready to set up your account, keep watching and I'll guide you through it. Now, click the sign up button. Quick heads up, some of the steps won't show up on my screen recording because of security stuff on my phone. Revolut's big on privacy, so they make sure sensitive info stays hidden, but no worries, I'll explain every part so you can follow along easily. Alright, first thing, after you click sign up, you'll be able to see your mobile number. Pick Australia's country code, which is +61, and type in your number. They'll use this to set up your account, so make sure it's a number you actually have access to. Once you're done, click next and they're gonna send you a code via text. And once you get it, enter the code to verify. It's just a Revolut way of checking that the number is legit and yours. Once you're done, you'll be redirected to a choosing of your country. And in this case, I'm picking Australia, but you'll go with wherever you're based. After choosing your country, you'll be redirected to address information. In here, you'll need to fill out your address. You can search for it if it pops up in their system, or you can just enter it manually if you need to. Once you're done, just click next and you will redirect to personal verification with ID. Here, where Revolut verify your identity, because Revolut's gonna need a valid ID. This could be a passport, driver's license, whatever is accepted in your country. For this example, I'm choosing passport, but pick whatever works for you. Once you're done selecting your valid ID, you'll be redirected to the ID scanning. The app will automatically go to the scanning screen. Just line up your ID with camera, and once it's scanned, they'll pull up details like your name, birthday, and address to save you some typing. And for the final step, once everything verified, just stop done or continue, and boom, you've got a Revolut account ready to go in Australia. Alright, you're all set up. Go explore the app, check out all the features, and let me know if you have any question in the comments. Don't forget to use the link in the description to sign up if you haven't already. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.